Alright guys, welcome back to another messed up video. Basically, I've already started recording today. I started recording for another video that just went completely shits up. It was a video on tinting the rear lights. But turns out window tint on a bumpy sort of like, I don't know how you call it. Not a flat surface, basically. The rear lights, you all must know what the rear lights look like. They're not completely flat. They've got like bumps and things in them. So, oh, my arm's aching already. So basically, I gave up that idea. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn two videos that I've recorded into one. Because the previous video I've recorded was doing all the pinstriping again on my car. And there weren't enough footage, and it wasn't really a full video. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to tint the rear bottom reflectors of the bumper on the back. You'll all probably know what they are, what I mean by that. The two bottom reflectors on either side, basically. And then I'll switch clothes, as you'll see in the video, and I'll go and do the pinstriping. But as I've just told you, it's two completely different videos, filmed on completely different days. So the tinting of the reflectors will be me now, and the pinstriping will be me in the middle of the week sometime. I can't remember when I did it, last weekend or the weekend before. I filmed it anyway to try and make a video of that, but there weren't enough footage there, so that's what we're going to do. I'm going to combine them both together and we're going to make one full video. But before I start any of that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that little bell right next to the subscribe button so you know when I've uploaded. And give me some comments. Let me know some comments of things that you want to see done to the car that I could possibly do on the cheap. Just let me know what you want to see. I'm also thinking about maybe streaming on the channel. Not necessarily car streaming, but maybe streaming some games or something. Anyway, just a thought. I'll get to doing the tints on the reflectors. I'm sweating my titties off right now. But anyway, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the like button, leave a comment, and let's get into it. Oh, there's fucking ants all over the floor. God damn it. Oh well. Right, so I've already prepped and cleaned the surface. Just thought I'd put that out there. And I've already pre-cut the tint as well.
universe inside you. So won't you wake up now and see? Don't hide away the things you're feeling. Unlock your mind and lose the key. There's a universe inside you. You should never have to hide. I can see the stars inside you. Please just open up your eyes. There's a universe inside you. Inside you, so much more than people know. I've seen you fighting your emotion. I hope you stay and won't let go. There's a universe inside you, so much love to leave behind. Stop the path of devastation. You should live for all the highs.
Alright guys, I am going to end the video in the same position that I started the video. I know it's been a bit of a mix and match of little bits here and there, but the tints on the back of the car came out okay. I didn't expect them to. There's a couple of little creases in the tint, but I managed to smooth them out a little bit. For some reason I thought my car was going forward then, and I'm on a hill. But yeah, basically the tints look great. I know all the pinstripe looks great because I've had it on my car for a little while, and I wouldn't have done it if it didn't. But we'll see how I get on with the tint. It may end up coming off, it may not. I don't know if it looks too dark or if it doesn't. What I'll do, what I've already done is I've filmed around the back of the car and give you a little view of obviously what the tint looks like. Let me know what you think, and I hope this video was an alright video. I think I've said it in many videos before where I may not upload regularly, but that's because I don't want to just dump out videos just like that. I don't want to just dump out shitty quality videos. I know my videos aren't the best of quality, but that's just because I'm learning as I'm going along, and I'm trying my best with everything that I know already and all the stuff that I can do, really. I will obviously progress, so it'll get better. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in, edit this video, edit another video I've also got, and then we'll set them up on a schedule to be uploaded. I don't know when. It's just, like I said, every other week is what I want to do, and we'll get to doing that. But anyway, I appreciate you all being here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button with the little bell, like I said. Leave a like. Let me know in the comments what you think. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Peace out.